Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. I just want to address something really quickly, okay? I cannot say nasturtium. Now, I just said it right then, okay? But on all of my videos, whenever I try to say nasturtium, I call it nasturtium. I have no idea why, other than when I see the word on the packet, that's what I'm seeing, nasturtium instead of nasturtium. So please excuse me. If you make it that far into the video, you will see exactly what I'm talking about, okay? Have a great weekend. Happy planting. Hey y'all, this is a Friday update on my bathroom grow light situation that I have going on. Well, I guess it's growing on too, huh? Anyway, welcome to my channel. I am Creisha and I am at home in my bathroom again, okay? So I have some basil here. It's growing nicely, some marigolds. These are pear tomatoes. These are Murasaki sweet potato slips. I don't see any growth on my peach seed that I planted about almost 2 weeks ago, I think. I do have some action going on my mini red peppers. I took these out of the fridge at HEB. Not at HEB, but I got the red peppers from HEB, so they are the mini peppers. I was kind of disappointed until a few minutes ago with my germination of I have green tomatoes. So this first row here, let me point, is green tomatoes, and I do see something right there, as you can see, and I think that's it on that row. Oh, here we go. So far I have 2 out of 3 green tomatoes germinating. I have sunflowers on the next row, and as you can see, I do have germination with my sunflowers. And then this row right here would be just regular watermelon, and then the last row is sugar cube watermelons. And I don't see any action with the sugar cube, but that's okay. I feel like it's coming, okay? So I have faith. Gonna keep on believing, and these are going to do well. And let me cover those back up. What I did was move the grow light a little bit more direct on that container there. And then right here in this bag, these are big red peppers. Okay, so I had to open up the bag. I do have some germination going on there, as you can see too, with my big red peppers. Gonna close this back up. Now this one over here is supposed to be nasturtiums. I'm not seeing any growth with that one, so I'm not gonna open it up. However, I'm going to keep faith with all of this too as well. So I have a lot going on here for this upcoming spring. Probably going to end up giving some of this stuff away, but I did, let me turn this around really quick. I did end up giving away, I didn't give anything away. I'm planning on giving it away. So I went to Atwoods today to get a shepherd's hook. I'm going to try to do a hanging basket with my tomatoes. Whichever one grows first and the fastest, I'm going to put it in the hanging basket. So the shepherd's hook is like 7 feet tall. It's really tall. And so that'll give my tomatoes plenty of room to grow and just hang down, and I can pick the tomatoes that way. So hopefully everything turns out great. You all wish me well. Please subscribe to my channel so you can see what I am growing this spring, and just follow me. And if you have a page, please link it too, and I will follow you as well. You have a blessed weekend.